How to enable missing power plan in Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. In here, click on Hardware and Sound. After that, click on Power option. And in selected plan, as you can see, there is no other option for a power plan. So simply open Windows PowerShell and copy paste the code I have written in here. After you do that, simply click on enter. Then go to power option again. As you can see, it's not fixed. So again, I'll go to command prompt. Copy paste the code I have done here. Simply click on enter. Then again, go to search bar and search for power option. As you can see, there is another unlocked high performance. First it was only balance, now you can see high performance and simply select that. That's how you enable missing power plan in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.